Hello, welcome to Mishov Markets. Today we're going to learn how to use the dashboard. First, when you enter, this is the interface you will face with. Over here, you have quick accesses to your Mishov wallet, deposits, withdrawal, and your account. In your My Profile, you can have a view of general reviews. From the download links, you can download the Meta 5 link suitable for your device. In live symbols, you can overview the difference between different forex pairs. From here, you can also get access to articles, economic calendar, and cryptocurrencies. And from your accounts overview, you can choose your account type and the period of time you want to look at. Over here, as a graph, you can look at your deposit, profit, and withdrawals. You can access your notifications from here and change language from here. In the next step, we have My Profile. In this tab, you have basic info, verification, security, and notifications. In basic info, you have to fill up your personal information. You can also watch the video of Sign Up Broker for further information. In verification, you have to do proof of identity, self-verification, proof of address. In proof of identity, please upload your files according to the instructions. Self-verification, according to the instructions, please follow these steps. And proof of address. You can also watch the video of Know Your Client or KYC for more information. In security, you can change your password and you can also activate two-factor authentication. From the notification tab, you can also activate to get all of your updates or the updates that you want as a notification in your Telegram. You can also watch the video of Telegram activation from Mishov Markets in the next video. The next tab is Finance, which has Mishov Wallet, Deposit, Withdrawal, Address Book, and Transactions. In your Mishov Wallet, you have your Mishov Wallet number and your current balance. From deposit and withdrawal, you can deposit and withdrawal instantly. In your address book, you can also save your deposit and withdrawal methods. In transaction, you can also see all of the activities of deposit and withdrawal and the history of your account. For further information, you can also watch the video of deposit and withdrawal. Our next tab is Account Types. Here you have Create Account and My Account tabs. In Create Account, you can choose your preferred account type, either real account or demo account. Each real account has different conditions, and demo accounts are a duplicate of them but without any financial risk. In the My Account tab, you can manage your different accounts that you have opened. You can open one account from each different type of accounts. Here you can change leverage, deposit, or change password in each account. For more details in this part, you can also watch Open Trading Account video. Our next tab is mostly preferred by all of our users, which is Analytics. In Analytics, you can view your account activities, and based on your account type and the selected date, whether it's today, last week, last month, last year, or even specific dates that you choose, you can see the account activities. From Account Overview, you can also see it as a chart. Also, most traded instruments in your account are viewed here. Next, we have Open Position Lots, Closed Position Lot, Total Buys, and Total Sells of your account. In the end, we also have trading history of your account. The next tab is Help Center. Here we have tickets, notes, and frequently asked questions. Most of the questions that the users ask are answered by the live chat, but if you have a specific questions that you want to send, you can start sending a ticket. Here you will choose services, subset, and your message, whether there's a photograph as well. You can send it and it will be shortly answered. In Notes, you can create a note and a reminder for yourself. Frequently asked questions or FAQs are the same as the website, and you can find different answers for different questions that you have. The very last tab is Trading Tools, where we have calculators for our traders to make informed decisions. Profit and loss calculator, margin calculator, and a spread calculator where it calculates the spread to dollars. For further information, you can also visit the website of Mishov Markets about calculators. Thank you for being with us. For further questions and suggestions, you can stay and chat with us through live chat.